Hi, this is Kel from Trade with the Boys. Now, last night Dow Jones dropped 470 points to the 14-month low in the second day of the biggest losses following the federal rate hike. We have mentioned before, 22,908 would be a very important level to watch, and indeed it happened. We have many people making good money from the trade. We congratulate all of them. But now, what will be the next thing to look out for the market? Let's take a look then. Now, let's look at S&P 500. The S&P have hit the target. The level are almost hitting the target that we mentioned before. It's 24.25. Even though we saw the pretty strong sell-off in the Dow Jones, but we do not stand. But the S&P actually pull back from the bottom. So we do suspect there could be a temporary support around this figure here, and traders must actually watch the market. And if you look at the Dow Jones, this is the number that we mentioned, 22,908. It did 29,908. It have triggered it. As a matter of fact, it went a low of 22,639. Wow, that was very low indeed in the very early in the morning, and now it's temporarily supported at this 22,908 level. We are expecting a little bit of intermediate rebound because all the key technical level that we mentioned before, like 22, 24, 2255, you can see that there's always an instrumental recovery. So we are looking at a potential of probably about a 400 to 500 per point recovery in the market, as long as the market do not break below the 22,908 level. If you're using the PSV3 Dow Jones, let's take a look now. This is the PSV3 on the Dow Jones. Now you can see that the reason why we were very heavy on the sell side, because you can see it was red and red, meaning the market was coming down and the boys were selling. But today, despite the market doing sideways, we can see evidently clear the boys are actually accumulating it. So we are not going to be half surprised to see later on there could be a potential recovery to about 23,184 or about 23,328 level around this point. Okay, there should be some temporary recovery. And you can see that this is a Hang Seng. Today, Hang Seng itself is very clear. It gapped down. It went all the way down, right? But at this junction here, let's take a look. You can see the bar turned yellow and the boys came in later. There was all the buying incentive coming in. And as a matter of fact, there was another round of buying later on in the afternoon session. And that's why you can see when the bar is yellow and the KSI is green, you have this upsurge. So from this movement of the Hang Seng, we are pretty confident to expect there's some temporary recovery tonight or Monday, just before Christmas. Alright, so this is Kel signing off.